today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs quickly and easily. Imagine this common scenario. You paste some text into your document from another source, and suddenly it's colored, perhaps in vibrant hues that don't exactly fit your document's aesthetic. Don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a simple trick to fix that, allowing you to maintain consistency and professionalism in your documents. First, let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your Google Docs document that has the text with the unwanted background color. Once you've identified the text you'd like to fix, the next step is to highlight it. To highlight the text, click and drag your mouse over the section you want to change. If your issue isn't just with a segment but with the entire document, don't fret. You can simply highlight the whole document to remove all background colors at once. Once you've highlighted the troublesome text, it's time for the magic shortcut. Press Ctrl and space on your keyboard simultaneously. For those on a Mac, you'll press Command and space. And just like that, you'll notice that the background color vanishes, leaving your text looking neat and unified with the rest of your document. It's a quick and efficient way to declutter your document's appearance. Now, a quick tip for you. If you frequently work with text pasted from various sources, you might encounter this issue often. By getting familiar with this shortcut, you can save a lot of time and keep your documents looking sharp with minimal effort. Let's summarize what we achieved here today. We learned how to effortlessly remove background colors from pasted text in Google Docs by highlighting the text and using a handy keyboard shortcut. This method is particularly beneficial for those who handle multiple documents and need to maintain a clean, professional look without the distraction of incompatible background colors. Remember, keeping your documents easy to read and visually cohesive enhances their impact and ensures your message is received clearly. So there you have it, an easy solution to a common problem that often disrupts our workflow. I hope you found this tip helpful and that it simplifies your work with Google Docs. If you have any other Google Docs challenges you'd like us to tackle, feel free to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks just like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing.